Welcome to my channel Physicsverse of Shantanu. So today we will discuss about a very important topic in quantum mechanics, which is known as 1D box or one-dimensional infinite square well. So what is this? It is basically given graphically that a particle is moving in one direction, say it is x. This is origin, and in the negative side along with 0, the potential V is equal to infinity, and along this side it is also infinity. Inside this box, the box runs from x equal to 0 to x equal to a, and here also V equals to infinity. So particle is in between this box where V equals to 0. Now we write the corresponding time independent Schrodinger equation. The time independent Schrodinger equation is given by minus h cut square by twice m. M is the mass of the particle, h cut is a reduced Planck's constant, del 2 psi del x2 plus v psi equals to E psi. E is the energy of the system. Now psi is a function of x, so del 2 psi del x2 is equal to d2 psi dx2. And at the region x less than 0 and x greater than a, or it would be better if I write x less than equal to 0 and x greater than equal to a, V tends to infinity. So psi equals to 0 there. Inside the box, that is at 0 less than x less than a, V equals to 0. So time independent Schrodinger equation becomes minus h cut square by twice m d2 psi dx2, potential is 0, so plus v psi equals to 0 equals to E psi, or d2 psi dx2 is equal to minus 2me over h cut square into psi. Now write this as k square. So we can write d2 psi dx2 plus k square psi is equal to 0. This is a second order homogeneous differential equation whose solution is given by psi function of x. Psi is the wave function. Psi is equal to a cos kx plus b sin kx. All right. Now at x equal to 0, psi equal to 0. At x equal to 0, psi equal to 0. Therefore 0 equals to a cos 0 plus b sin 0. Now cos 0 equal to 1 and sin 0 equal to 0. Therefore a equal to 0. Therefore psi of x is equal to b sin kx. Now at x equal to a, psi equal to 0. Alright. Therefore 0 is equal to b sin ka. B not equal to 0, because otherwise the whole wave function will become 0 and the particle will be nowhere, which is impossible. So b is not equal to 0. Therefore sin ka equals to 0. Therefore sine ka equals to sine n pi. N, its allowable value are 1, 2, 3 dot dot dot. Therefore ka is equal to n pi. Therefore k is equal to n pi over a. Therefore psi of x is equal to b sine n pi x over a. Now we have to find the normalization constant b. For this we have to do normalization. Which is minus infinity to plus infinity mod psi square dx equal to 1. Now the particle is in between 0 to a, so we can write 0 to a psi star psi dx equal to 1. It is for one dimension, so we write dx. Now since psi is real, psi star equal to psi. Therefore b square 0 to a sine square n pi x over a equal to 1. Or b square by 2 0 to a 2 sine square n pi x over a equals to 1. Now we know 2 sine square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta. Therefore b square over 2 0 to a 1 minus cos 2 n pi x over a, oh here it will be dx equals to 1. Therefore we are here v square by 2 0 to a 1 into dx minus cos 2 n pi x over a 0 to a dx is equal to 1. Or b square by 2, here it was x from 0 to a minus sine 2 n pi x by a divided by a 2 n pi over a from 0 to a. That's 1. Now it will be b square over 2 to a minus, it will be 0 over 0 to a by 2 n pi. So this term will become 0. Therefore b square into a by 2 is equal to 1. Therefore b taking positive 2 by a because it will be positive. Therefore psi of x is equal to root over 2 by a sine n pi x over a. This will be the function where n is equal to 1, 2, 3, etc. Now we have to find the energy. Now here we write it was minus k square. Okay, minus 2me by h cut square, it was minus k square, and so k square was 2me over h cut square. K square is equal to 2me over h cut square. Therefore E is equal to h cut square by 2m into k square. Now the value of k was n pi by a, so it will be h cut square by 2m into n square pi square by a square. Therefore k square therefore E would be E equals to n square pi square h cut square by 2m a square. It is the energy of n state. Now we got energy, we got the function, Now let's draw the different states. So first it would be ground state. It was x equal to 0, it is x equal to a. For ground state, here it will be a node, here it will be a node, since here psi equals to 0. Now how psi would be looked like? So it will be for n equals to 1. So psi would be b sine pi x by a. For antinode, pi x by a equals to pi by 2. So x equal to a by 2. So here it would be antinode. So the function would look like this. So it is ground state. Now first excited state. For this first excited state, for this 2 pi x over a would be pi by 2. So therefore x would be a by 4. So the antinode would be here. Here it would be a node, here it would be an antinode. So at a by 2 there would be a node. And for second excited state, 3 pi x by a equals to pi by 2. So x would be a by 6. So it will look like it is a by 2. It is a by 6. So it will look like this. And so on. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you.